Hello friends, I am Vivek here with you again, my favorite subject math. Today we will see practice set 31 standard 6 and lesson is profit and loss. Here is one example given to you. Sunanda Bai bought milk for 475 rupees, 475 rupees. She converted into yogurt and sold it for rupees 700. How much profit did she make? Very simple example was here. Sunanda Bai bought milk of 475 rupees and he converted it into yogurt and sold it for 700 rupees. Then, which things are given? We will list here. Cost price. Sunanda Bai bought milk for 475. Selling price, she converted into yogurt and sold it for 700 rupees. Then here is, look at this, selling price is greater than cost price. So this example is profit is happen. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So selling price is given here 700 and 475. Selling price is 700 minus cost price is 475. So I get it 2. So Sunanda Bai make 225 rupees profit in this example. So in this example we must understand profit, selling price, cost price, when profit is occur. Due to all this type of example happens around us, and this small example tells us that where is profit or where is loss, how profit is occurred, how loss is occurred. So I think we got the term profit, cost price and selling price with help of this problem. Have a great day. Thank you.